Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show what are all the advantages of converting the data to table format. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To convert the data to table format, we can use shortcut key Ctrl T or we can use path. Click on Insert, click on Table. When I click on the table option, Excel opens the pop-up window. In this, Excel selects the ranges automatically. Before converting to table format, make sure we need to keep the cursor within the data. Now select the My table has headers checkbox. Now click on OK. Now our data converted to table format. When we are converted data to table format, Excel automatically formats the data. See here, it automatically includes the filter buttons. When I scroll down, we can see the header. It automatically inserted. If I want to insert the new column, we can easily insert the new column. Type some data here. Now press tab key. It automatically includes the data into this table. Like this, we can also insert the rows. Just fully scroll down. Keep the cursor here. Just press tab key. It automatically inserts the row like this. See, I'm just pressing the tab button. It automatically inserting the rows. Another big advantage of converting the data to table format, just keep cursor here. If I want to select the entire data of this column, just press and hold the control key, press the space bar. It only selects the data within the table. See here, just scroll up. It only selected the data within the table. Test one more. Just select the first row. Now press and hold the control key, press the space bar. It only selects the data within the table. It won't select anything extra. If we not convert this data to table format, it selects the entire column. Now press the Ctrl and backspace to return back to home cell. Another big advantage of converting the data to table format, we can insert the slicer. Just click on the table design. Now click on insert slicer. Select your data. For example, I'm selecting material, this checkbox. Now click on OK. Now Excel inserted the slicer automatically. Now click on this filter button. Just select the data. It automatically filters the selected data. It only shows the selected data. Okay. Now click on clear filter again. It automatically selects all the entries. If I want to exclude the particular entry, just click on this multi-selection option. Okay, now click on this data. It automatically excludes the data. See here, it automatically excluding the data. Okay, again click on this button, select the data. It automatically filters the data like this. To clear the filter, again click on the clear filter option. It automatically inserted all the options. Many more advantages to convert raw data to table format. In this video, I explained only few. If you know more advantages converting the raw data to table format, please comment me. That's it today video tutorial. If you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.